Welcome back to Mongo Fix. Today we look at this mower. It did not start really well, so let's see. Yep, that not spin fast enough. No problem, Mongo Fix. So we start with voltmeter. Got a couple leads. Get the positive, negative. Put some DC voltage. 11.54, kind of low. Let's see what it go to while crank. Oh. Go to, 3 volts. Yep, that battery junk. So that's not too bad, that easy figure out. We try jump box real quick. At least enough to get lawn mowed. So annoying junk box telling us it on right. And we see here. Oh yeah. Battery weak. So when you crank and battery go below about 8 volts, sometimes maybe 9, that means battery cells in there weak. So you could try pop these up, see if they low on fluid or something. Or could try trickle charger overnight, see if it helped. But in essence, battery dying, so might as well just replace with new. Well, get this old battery out, like get 7/16 bolt. Get the hold down off. These 7/16 as well. Alright, now get new battery. Alright, clean out the junk, do some negative, we get some positive. Don't forget retighten hold down. Now let's check, make sure it worked right. Oh, it's been over real good now. Well, if you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo always working on all sorts of stuff. Mongo, thank you.